Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a Ki-capable coil and confirming power limits. This ensures compatibility and safety. Once done, inspect the transmitter PCB and USB power module for matching voltage and current ratings. Make sure to place a ferrite sheet under the coil to reduce interference and heat. You will pre-tin coil leads and test continuity with a multimeter. This prevents cold joints later. Finally, organize tools and fasteners so you can solder confidently without pausing. A tidy workspace speeds assembly and reduces errors. You now solder the coil to the transmitter board, keeping joints short and mechanically supported. This preserves resonance. Once soldered, mount the ferrite sheet and a thin spacer so the coil sits 1 to 3 millimeters from the phone surface. That gap optimizes coupling while protecting components. Then wire the USB power module, include decoupling capacitors near VUSP for stable output, and secure everything inside your enclosure. Make sure to test with a regulated 5V supply and measure output voltage and coil continuity before closing the case. You finish by placing the phone centered over the coil and observing the charging indicator. A steady LED or battery icon confirms correct operation. If charging is intermittent or slow, make a small alignment adjustment and recheck the gap. Shifting the coil a few millimeters often restores coupling. Also verify the coil and PCB stay cool. If you detect hot spots, add ventilation or thermal pads. Finally, test multiple phones to confirm compatibility. If problems persist, swap the coil for a higher Q unit and retune per transmitter specs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.